Hello everyone, I'm back from this year's workshop, back at my office in DC, but I just wanted to thank you all for your attendance and participation. This year's workshop was a huge success on so many levels. We're grateful for the major contributions from both the presenters and the attendees, and to the NABL leadership for their support and participation. We covered a lot this year, from the induction of new NABL leaders, to the recognition of excellence with the presentation of NABL awards, and of course the excellent content from our panelists. A special thanks goes to my vice chairs who made this high quality experience possible. Enjoy these highlights and see you all next year.